Hey, what's up? This is Kevin, and welcome to this Smash sponsoring video on this social network marketing video blog. In this video, what I want to talk about is how to really kill it when it comes to using social media or social network marketing, whatever you call it. Now, the biggest mistake I see people in the network marketing industry make when they train people about social media. So I think the trainers are the ones making the biggest mistake. And the biggest mistake I think they're making is they're misleading everybody in a direction that's just wrong. Okay? And what I'm talking about is they make it seem like social media only consists of YouTube, MySpace, Facebook, Twitter, Ensign articles, Squidoo, and Hub pages, which couldn't be further from the truth. Now, in a second here, I'm going to prove to you that I was able to get on the front page of Google for a keyword that gets tens of thousands of searches, 60,000 searches a month, has 1.2 million results, is a mortgage-related keyword, in that's one of the most competitive niches, and I did it without YouTube, MySpace, Facebook, Twitter, Ensign articles, Squidoo, or Hub pages. None of them. But yet, I was able to rank. I have 5 of the top 20 listings, 2 on page 1 and 3 on page 2, all within 7 hours. And none of these sites showed up. Now, don't get me wrong, did I use these sites? Of course I did. Okay, because there's ways to use all these sites. All these sites will come in handy. But the thing is I use these sites, and if I was only using these sites alone, I would have never ranked. But to my surprise, I ranked, and the reason I ranked was because I knew that I needed to diversify. Okay, putting all your eggs in one basket, or staying closed-minded is just not the way. And using just these sites is insane. So let's talk about what some of the few types of social media sites we could be using to dominate the internet. Now, we have one, video sites. Now again, we're not just talking about YouTube, we're talking about Rever, Vidler, TrueVio, AOL Video, Google Video, MySpace Video, and I could go on and on. Now, one thing I want to mention here is don't get overwhelmed by all the huge amount of sites that are out there, because there are tools that will automate the process of submitting your video, your article, or your link that you want to bookmark to hundreds of sites instantly with a couple clicks of the mouse, and you can get these softwares for free. Okay, there's many tools and softwares you can get for free. I'm actually going to be giving away an article submission software for free as a part of the pre-launch of Mass Sponsoring. So now, social profile pages. These are MySpace, Facebook, Twitter. You've heard about these. No need to go into those any further. Content sharing sites. This would be sites like Squidoo, Hub pages, and there's more. There's press release sites. Okay, nobody talks about press releases. Press releases are a great way of submitting your content out there and getting massive amounts of traffic for free. Now we have article directories, and now we're not just talking about Ensign articles. There's hundreds of article directories. Now, one thing I want to mention here is in the next video that I'm going to be posting up on this video blog, which again you can access anytime by going to masssponsoring.com. It'll be featured on the homepage, and then you could just subscribe to the feed from there. But what I wanted to mention was that all these article directories that you submit, you don't submit it just because of one of the benefits, which is traffic hijacking. Okay, that what I call traffic hijacking. Okay, you put a video on YouTube and you get to hijack some of the traffic that YouTube gets. That's not the only benefit. There's 3 major benefits to using social media, and the traffic hijacking that the majority of network marketing trainers or internet network marketing trainers talk about, they only talk about one of the benefits, okay? And the other 2 benefits are the major benefits. Those are the keys to using social media, and they don't cover it, okay? And I believe there's a reason why they don't cover it, is because they only really want you to know how to generate traffic, because if you realize how to do all these other things, and you learn how to do all these other things, then you won't need to promote their ebooks, their systems anymore. You could just, you could do things on your own, and they kind of don't want that, in my opinion. So now we have forums, okay? Forums are a huge resource. You could be posting in forums, as you know, but in the signature line, here's a mistake that I see everyone make. Instead of promoting their link by using anchor text, which is simply, instead of making your link http www.mydomain.com, you make that clickable link your keywords, whatever keywords you're targeting. Now, this is another thing that is not being talked about. You need to target specific keywords. Every piece of content, every video, every article, anything that you submit, every Web 2.0 page you create, each single one needs to be targeted at one keyword. Now I'm going to get into great detail on this on the next video. But right now, let's just focus on all the types of sites we should be using, okay? By instead of limiting ourselves to just 5 or 6 of them. Next is social bookmarking, and now I'm going to show you in a few seconds here the results. How I was able to get 5 of the top 20 results for a mortgage-related keyword that people pay $17 and $12 a click for, and I did it using some of these sites. Now, 2 of my 5 top 20 results, 2 of them are from a social bookmarking site. So I bookmarked my site, my blog, with a social bookmarking site, and that social bookmark on that site, that social book, it was Digg. I used Digg. That Digg result, 2 of them showed up on the top 20 results in Google, okay, which I'm going to be showing you here in a second, so it'll make it clearer. Next is blogs. We have WordPress, Joomla, Xanga, Clearpaint, Webpaint, Clear Blogs. I mean, there's just so many blogs that you could be using. Now, people get so, worked up and stressed out thinking, how am I going to create content for all these? All these articles that you write because you've only been using Einstein articles, so you have to create all these articles. Take those articles, add a paragraph, add a few words, and then create a blog for each article. And then each blog could be targeted at one specific keyword. And once you understand the real benefit of using social media, which we're going to talk about in the next video, which is not just traffic hijacking, there's other benefits. Once you understand those benefits, then you'll get a clear understanding of what you're really supposed to be doing and what social media is really supposed to be used for. It's not just to steal the traffic that's already going to YouTube and Skidoo. There's other things, and we're going to talk about that, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And next is picture sharing sites. So that would be Flickr, PhotoBucket. You could share your photos in your Skidoo pages. You make your photos clickable links, and you want to stuff it with keywords. You can use image text, which is alt text. You tell the search engines what that picture is about. Put keywords in there, and then we're going to be getting into all this stuff. So you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. So now let me show you some results that I was able to get using some of these sites that don't include all the sites you've heard of all the time up until now. Okay, so here's a snapshot that I took from Google AdWords just a couple days ago, and if you were to do a search right now, you'd get the same results. For the keyword right here, Providence Mortgage, okay? Now, Providence Mortgage gets searched 60,500 times a month, $12 a click, okay? And Barrington Mortgage is $17 a click and gets searched 40,000 times a month. Now, check this out. For Barrington Mortgage, okay, I was able, and as you can see, 473,000 results. I was able to get, watch this, on the front page of Google, okay, I was result number 5 from Truvio. Truvio, in 21 hours, I was on the front page, okay, for Barrington Mortgage. And look, Barrington, Rhode Island Mortgage Broker offers free consult. Now, check this out. Providence Mortgage. For Providence Mortgage, there's 1.1 million results. And again, gets searched 60,000 times. And this is a page 2, okay, so this is results 11 through 20. And look, I have 2 from Digg, and then I have another one from Truvio, which I did in 9 hours. Okay? And here you could see that I have 2 results on page 1. So again, results 1 through 10. And if we scroll down here, we'll see that, right here. The Truvio right here and the Podcast Alley right there. Okay, so that's a podcast. Now, within 24 hours, on page 1 of Providence Mortgage, I went up without doing any additional work to the result number 5 and number 6. So if you want to learn how to do this yourself, okay, I got to end this video now. Go to mysponsoring.com and check out the video blog, the featured video blog right on the homepage, and you'll be able to get all the videos for free right now.